If you've ever submitted an assignment and worried about errors, missing citations, or even accidental plagiarism, Draft Coach can help you before you turn it in. First, install the add-in in Word Online. You'll open your document in Word Online, then go to Home, look for Add-ins, and choose Turnitin Draft Coach. If you don't see the add-ins there, check the Insert tab. If an error appears, log back into Okta or clear your browser cookies or cache to get rid of the error. When you see Create Your Best Original Work, you are ready to start. You have 3 tools available in Draft Coach: Grammar Check, Similarity Check, and Citation Check. Use them in this order to improve your work before submission. Start with Grammar Check. It helps you review long sentences, repeated words, and basic writing errors. Review each suggestion to improve the clarity of your writing. Next step, run the similarity check. This tool shows you which parts of your text match other sources. A lower percentage is better, but always follow your instructor's guidelines. You can open the full report to see uncited matches. Fix them by adding correct citations or rewording your text. Then, use Citation Check. It helps you verify if your citations are complete and correctly formatted. If you have questions, ask your instructor. Some assignments have specific rules regarding the similarity percentage. Using Draft Coach before submitting your work helps you catch errors early, improve your writing, and avoid losing points. If you need help, the library is here. You can send chat, an email, or schedule an appointment on the library's website. We're here to help.